Title: Foundations and Heights, A Journey Through Real Estate Evolution. In the bustling cityscape of City, amidst its ever-changing skyline, a story of ambition, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence unfolds through the annals of Foundations and Heights Real Estate. Established in year, Foundations and Heights emerged from the vision of two passionate entrepreneurs, Founder 1 and Founder 2. United by their shared love for architecture and urban development, they set out to redefine the real estate landscape of their city. In its nascent stages, Foundations and Heights specialized in residential properties, catering to the diverse needs and aspirations of homeowners across the metropolitan area. With a keen eye for design and a deep understanding of market trends, the company quickly gained recognition for its ability to turn dreams into reality, one brick at a time. As the city evolved, so did Foundations and Heights. Recognizing the growing demand for commercial spaces, the company expanded its portfolio, spearheading landmark projects that transformed neighborhoods and revitalized urban centers. From sleek office towers to vibrant retail complexes, each development bore the signature blend of innovation and practicality that became synonymous with the company's name. However, it